Imagine the vastness of space, the shimmering starlight beckoning exploration. Now picture yourself on a daring journey towards a massive brown dwarf, a celestial body with the mass of a planet, but as cool as the deepest night. As you hurtle towards it, an overwhelming mix of wonder and dread fills your senses. What will happen as you approach the gravitational pull of this mysterious entity? As you venture closer, the first thing you'll notice is the dramatic shift in gravitational forces. Unlike a typical planet, the gravity of a brown dwarf is immense due to its size and density. Approaching this giant, you might feel a strange stretching sensation, as if the very fabric of your being is being tugged in different directions. The gravitational forces would begin to stretch you into a long, thin shape, a process scientists dub spaghettification. With the intensity of the gravitational pull increasing, your body would be pulled towards a dense core. You would enter a region where the air thins and pressure escalates. The surrounding darkness would be punctuated by a dim glow, a haunting contrast against the void beyond. The heat and pressure near the core would be unlike anything you've experienced, with temperatures soaring to extremes that would render human life impossible. Your senses would be overwhelmed by the alien environment, sounds muted, colors distorted in the haze of heat. As you descend deeper, rapid changes become inevitable. The reality of being encased within a brown dwarf's atmosphere sets in. The crushing waves of dense gas would envelop you. You would lose all sense of time and direction, a mere speck in the monstrous belly of this giant. The immense gravity would crush your body further, compounding the surreal nature of your experience. All around, the surroundings would shift from gaseous layers to a liquid-like state, a surreal blend of fantasy and grim reality. While you may initially experience a sense of awe, soon existential thoughts would creep in. The realization of your fate, your exploration turning into a dance with oblivion, transforms the thrilling adventure into a stark confrontation of mortality. But fear not, for it's less about the end and more about the cosmic journey, an adventure that pushes the boundaries of understanding and the limits of human experience in the cosmos. Eventually, your encounter with this enigmatic world leaves questions, igniting imaginations, and elevating the mysteries that lie beyond our stars.